Equation. Two sides of an equal sign which must remain balanced. An equation is two things placed equal to each other. Technically, 2 equals 2 is an equation because of the equal sign. But 2 equals 2 is not very interesting. It is more interesting to say that 2x equals 6, or what number, when multiplied by 2, is 6? 3, of course. And what about 2x plus 4 equals 6? What value does x have to be to make this statement true? At the most basic level, an equation has an equal sign. If we simply have 2x, this is an expression. An expression is, quote, evaluated, end quote, and an equation is, quote, solved, end quote. An equation has two sides, parentheses, a left and a right, end parentheses, and an equal sign, and must remain balanced. Antonyms: expression. Related words: balance, equation. Solving methods: isolate the x. What is done to one side must be done to the other.